Hello guys, welcome back to our factory. Right now, what I'm having in my hand here is another raw material. You can see this is around here. Yes, that's a lot, right? I think it's perfect time for showing you the our raw hair material. So as you can see here, it's 100% Vietnamese virgin hair, right? So what you can do with this hair, you can bleach to any color you want, even the highest color. This is a color that after you bleach, right? So this is 613 color. What I'm saying is the hair, the virgin hair we have here, the raw material here can supply you with the variety demand of customer, even the top ones. So what are we waiting for? Contact us now through the all information below this video, and we'll give you the best deal ever.